Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
please.
one doubt, sir. Sir, means after the next week onwards, we have don't class on integral calculus and single variable function.
Who told you?
In this week, Anita ma'am has take two class. That's why I am asking.
No, 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 no. If you want to know the planning, then we can provide you the planning. Okay.
Yes, sir. This is much
Yes, sir.
difficult.
Please
Yes, sir. This is
provide
much
us. So
difficult
we
to
thought that
means
our chapters
practice
have been
the
complete.
question. That's why I am asking. Means which class in which day. If we know that, then that is much more easier for us to practice on that particular topic for a.
Yes, yes, you are correct. But for me, particularly, if you speak, then it is difficult to speak for me.
Sir, send this track sheet or CR, sir. So please give that to our CR, sir, so that we can distribute in ourselves.
Yes, yes, you will get. You will get the planning, right? So,
Okay, sir.
Okay.
okay. So, for the time being, I don't allow your mic in order to take the class. Otherwise, it is difficult for me.
Okay, sir.
So, uh,
Yes, please.
there's
Sir,
a
after the class, please provide the slides.
sir, there's a guy in our class who has missed the CA1 examination. Since he wasn't in the section group, he wasn't aware that we were having examination of and of any class information. So, what to do?
He or she is from which section?
Section B.
Section B. So corresponding teachers, please tell him or her to contact with the corresponding teacher. Okay.
Right, sir.
Right. Maybe today in the morning. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Before coming to spherical coordinate transformation, I just like to tell you one question. One student yesterday mailed me one question like. mm in one of my class, I have given you one of the trick whether you can find area of some region by means of double integration. Okay, so answer was yes. Basically, I did not say that it is the implication that it will give the representation is will be particularly area. See, whenever your integral is constant and if it is dx dy over certain region D, then it ultimately it gives you 1 into area of D. So my question was whether we can find the area of certain region by means of double integration. So in this case, you can do it. And at the same time, we can find the volume. Uh, this is 1 into this thing means volume under the uh, graph and above the particularly the region. So that all of you know the implication for the particularly double integration, right? So, but the question was whether you can find or evaluate area of region. Yes, you can do it. So I think it is clear. And there are certain other questions like one of the thing. Suppose this is your 02 cross 02 and f of x plus y dx dy, where ft is basically greatest integer less or equal to t. So this is very tricky, little bit tricky question. So you can do that. I think it has been discussed, but still I can give you one way where you can, by which you can do it. Suppose this is the thing, like, uh, say for example, this is 2, this is 2. So ultimately this is like the region of integration. Okay. Now you see, whenever f of x plus y, it belongs, xy belongs to here at any points, see, then x plus y, maybe it takes the different value, right? Say for example, x plus y, whenever it is less than particularly 1, that means if I take this thing, so this is 1, like it is half, this is half comma half. Similarly, if I take this is 1 comma 1, similarly I can take this is, say for example, 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2, then you can see that whenever your particularly xy belongs to here, then ultimately the value of the integrand f x plus y will be particularly, it is will be 0. The greatest integer is 0 here. So similarly, whenever, say for example, I like to write it, this is to be 1, this is to be 2, this part, this is to be 3, this is to be 4. Okay, so we have to break it in 4 different parts. Now, whenever xy belongs to here, then it will take the value. In this situation, x plus y will be less than particularly 2, so it is f of x plus y will be 1 here. So similarly, here it will be x plus y will be 2. So you understand, in this way we can evaluate the thing. So here it is 0, then it is 1, it is 0, 1, then it is 2, then this, in this case it will be 3. F of x plus y will be 3. Okay, so we can find the rest of the things very easily, like 1, area of 1 into 0 plus area of 2, area of 2 this part into 1 plus area of 3 this part into 2 plus area of the region 4 into 3. So this will be your thing, and it is eventually it comes to be 6. Okay, so this is very easy how to find the area here. For this particular case, area is half into half, that means 1 by 4. And for this particular case, what is the area? So if I do the calculation, this is half. This thing is particularly half into, what is the height? 1 plus here it is half into half, 1 by 4. So in this way you can calculate the rest of the things. And here the function takes the constant value. Whatever the integrand function here it takes, it is 1. So 1 into this. In this case, particularly region number 3, whatever the function takes the value, it is exactly 2. And we have to take the area. And as per the, whenever we know the this result, particularly whenever f is constant, some k, then double integration over f dx dy, this will be some constant into area of d. So we use just this thing to get it. Okay, so I think all of you are convinced here, particularly how to find this double integration. Okay, so you can calculate at your own. Okay, next I like to describe what is your spherical coordinate system, and then we'll be moving to general change of coordinate systems, how to do that. Now, spherical coordinate system, where we can use, where we see the spherical symmetry in the region of integration or in the integrand function. Okay, so if we start with a function, start with a point x comma y comma z in the space, and if I take rho is equal to, rho equal to particularly square root of x square plus y square plus z square, then you understand that it gives you a sphere. That means x square plus y square plus z square equal to rho square, right? So if we try to represent this in polar coordinate system, then what happens? X equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, right? So we will get x square plus y square equal to r square in for that part. And the coordinate z, if I write z is equal to rho cos phi, that is another angle phi cos phi, where phi is an angle between 0 to pi. Here this particular angle is 0 to pi. Sorry. And theta, since we are transforming x square plus y square this part into polar coordinate system, x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So here theta is having the full rotation, that is like this way. And z is equal to rho cos phi. That means what? Uh, what we like to do, we like to see the position vector x comma y comma z mixed with the z axis in the plane containing the vector this xi plus yj plus zk, and the z axis particularly to write the polar coordinate system like rho, theta, and phi. You see here, then you understand xy plane we are thinking, and then x equal to r cos theta. X equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. That means theta is having the full rotation. It can go from here to up to this thing. So it is full rotation means 2 pi. It starts with 0 to 2 pi. And now you see z with z axis. If I take rho equal to cos phi, whatever I sorry. you see that rho can take, this is your phi, this angle, sorry, this is your phi. So it can take from 0 to phi. So you understand, it can go up to this thing. This is particularly half rotation. Phi is having half rotation. So ultimately what happens here, rho equal to A, this will give you a sphere, equation of sphere. And so whatever x equal to r cos theta, you know x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, and z equal to rho cos phi. That means ultimately what happens, so this part is equal to r square plus z square will be rho square. So if I do the thing, z equal to rho cos phi, so r will be rho sin phi, and phi is particularly 0. Eventually we can say that rho sin phi will be your r. See, equal to rho sin phi, this will be same sin theta. This is r cos theta, r sin theta, and z equal to rho cos phi. Ultimately, we will get rho equal to A to be sphere. So you understand where this is basically radius. You can take any constant. It is maybe greater or equal to 0. And theta is having the full rotation the way we have taken. You can again see the picture. Theta, because we take the base as xy plane, that is why theta is having the full rotation. But the way we have considered here, the rho equal to cos phi, so phi is having the half rotation 0 to phi. So this way we have to understand. So you can take in a different way. Uh, this is one way we particularly follow. So if you maybe in some other books, it has been followed in a different way, right? The spherical coordinates theta and phi similar to the geographic coordinate of longitude and latitude. If we take Earth axis to be Z axis, there are differences though. Geographical longitude is mod theta and takes where it is called east and west longitude according to whether theta is positive or negative. The geographical latitude is particularly mod of phi by 2 minus phi, and it is called north or south latitude according to whenever phi by 2 minus theta is positive or negative. So you understand that geographic coordinates are normally expressed in degrees rather than radians. Okay, so there are certain examples we like to just solve, and you know what should be the ultimate coordinate system if we apply here onto this particularly triple integration, then what happens? So you see that suppose W is a region in space, and f of x comma y comma z dx dy dz, we have to integrate this thing. So W star will be the region in the spherical coordinate system. So it will be f x is rho sine phi cos theta, rho sine phi sine theta, and rho cos phi. And this is dx dy dz. This part will be replaced by the additional factor. That is what? That is rho square sine phi d theta, d rho, d phi. Okay, so this particular thing is coming here, rho square sine phi. So how this comes? As if you see this part particularly, this thing is r d theta means rho sine theta d theta. So this is d rho, this is rho d phi. So ultimately this volume element will be rho square sine phi. So if you see the picture carefully, then you understand theta is having like this, and we have to see the infinitesimal volume element. And from the picture, it is very much clear. But after doing certain thing, we'll go to why this particular thing, suppose dx dy in case of polar coordinate system, why it is r is coming r dr d theta, and in case of cylindrical coordinate system some other constant is coming, and in case of spherical coordinate system some other constant, some multiplying factor is coming. Why these are coming, so I will discuss after doing some exercise here. Okay, so then it will be very much clear, because these are the three standard transformation. Initially I just my intention was to just give you the thing, and then we can give some other type of transformations for general purpose, right? Okay, so if I solve some exercise here, uh, very simple exercise if I like to do here, uh, e to the power, say for example x square plus y square over w is basically set of all x comma y comma z such that x square plus y square plus z square, this is a spherical type region, it's a sphere, and inside the sphere this is your you can evaluate this thing by using the type 1, type 2, type 3 region, of course, but it is extremely difficult to do that. See, for example, solve via type 1, type 2 region like 0, -1 to 1. This is for your particularly x, then minus square root of 1 minus x squared to square root of 1 minus x squared, then minus square root of 1 minus x squared minus y square to square root of 1 minus x square minus y square. And then integrand is c to the power, sorry, this is x square plus y square plus z square 3 by 2. This is first, it will be z, because z is varying from this to this. Then this is y, then this is x, because x is varying from -1 to 1. But this is really difficult. And this is particularly extremely awkward. To evaluate it. Okay, so if we do by this way. Now, whatever the advantage I like to tell you. So if we use the spherical coordinate system, then this will be very, very easy. So how to do that? This is very simple. Alternatively, I like to use different pen. Alternatively, we like to use, what we like to use? Spherical coordinate system or transformation. to evaluate this. Then what will be your W star? This is rho theta phi. And what will be rho? 0 less or equal to rho less or equal to 1. And what will be theta? You all of we know it is having the full rotation. And what is phi here, particularly 0 less or equal to phi less or equal to pi. It is having the half rotation. So this is particularly your spherical coordinate system. The region of integration has been changed like this way. So we just like to apply here whatever it was, W F D V. This will be over this W star, and it will be e to the power rho square whole to the power 3 by 2. And what is this factor? Rho square sine phi. And this is d rho, d theta, d phi. Okay, so if we try to write it in the iterated integral, then it will be 0 to phi, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1, e to the power ultimately rho cube, right? And this is rho square, you understand? So rho cube, rho square is coming, so it is very easy. Sine phi, and this is d rho, d theta, d phi. So ultimately, if we can break it, 0 to pi sine phi d phi, right? 0 to 2 pi d theta, and 0 to 1 e to the power rho q rho square d rho. Okay, so we can evaluate this is going to be equal to t some other terms. So this is a single integration. All of you can do this thing also. It is easy. This thing is also easy. So ultimately, we get it 4 pi. This is dot dot dot. You just do the calculation 4 by 3 pi phi into e minus 1. So this is your answer. So you understand that how easily we can evaluate this thing. Okay. Then another exercise. This is difficult. So I like to solve this exercise. Whatever this thing, use spherical coordinate to find the volume of the solid that lies above the cone. Z is equal to square root of. We have to find the volume of the solid that lies Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, you are
Uh,
audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Your screen is not visible.
Yes, sir. Your
Screen is,
screen is not visible.
screen is
Now it
visible.
is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Now
sir.
it's
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. What happened, sir?
Now it's visible, sir.
Okay, please
Please.
tell only one student, please. I request you. Hello, only one student at a time, please talk.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, screen got stuck at the middle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
What happened, sir?
exercise 2, you have some exercise 1, it is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second one we
Exercise,
didn't hear, sir.
Yes, sir. From exercise 2
Starting
onwards, the screen got stuck.
Second one from start only we have not listened, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay.
Let me give us some time to write, sir.
So start with exercise 2, right? Okay.
Sir, show me one time exercise one slide, sir.
Exercise 1.
It is written, sir, but exercise 2 is not written.
Sir, in exercise 2, there is written x square plus y square plus z square equal to z.
Yes. Okay, that is the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square equal to z.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Hello, sir.
Sir,
Am
in
I
the
Yes.
audible?
diagram, is the below part conic type? Sir, in the diagram, is the below part cone?
Yes, below part cone. Okay, I just repeat it again.
Sir, is this diagram given in the question itself?
No. We have to draw the diagram, right?
Sir, I have a
What
doubt.
happens?
Sir, I also have a doubt, sir.
Sir, please do not mute us, sir.
Yes, sir. हम लोग कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाते, सर. आप बकते जाते हैं, सर.
No, no
What
problem
जो
is
स्टार्टिंग क्वेश्चन था वो भी गलत था, उसका
क्या?
एक्सप्लेनेशन स्टार्टिंग क्वेश्चन वो एरिया वाला
Yes, sir.
बेसिस
Even I
इंटीजर
was
फंक्शन वाला
talking that, sir. First.
Sir, we
एरिया
cannot
डिवीजन इज रॉन्ग.
understand the point that we cannot tell it when we don't tell it at when you are explaining it. After don't tell you. So please don't mute, sir.
no.
Sir, please don't mute us. It is very
If you tell
awkward.
so many students at a time,
Yeah,
No,
yes,
sir.
sir. Mute, please mute all, sir.
it
घंटा पड़
is
गया होता है यहाँ पे
extremely
तब.
difficult
It is
for me
irritating
to
if everyone
complete the
speak
class.
at the same time. Sir. It
बिल्कुल.
will be irritating, sir.
Yes, that's the problem. No.
तब पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाएगा, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Please clear my doubt.
डाउट कैसे पूछेंगे? पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाएगा.
चैट बॉक्स में पूछ लो.
नहीं
आई हैव
अच्छा.
आस्क्ड इन चैट बॉक्स.
चैट बॉक्स में तू बताएगा.
कोई अटेंशन.
Sir,
इसमें
सर
ज्ञान पूरी.
चैट बॉक्स में बताओ.
Sir, एक question.
Okay, so if you have any doubt, you write to me. Or there are some doubt clearing classes also. I will take also one class where it is fully doubt clearing class after today's class, right? So please give me some time to the general case, right? So again, I tell we have to use the spherical coordinate to find the volume of the solid that lies above the cone z is equal to x square plus y square. That is your cone, and below the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to z. Okay, so we have drawn the picture and solution. Notice that the sphere passes through the origin and has the center. it basically sphere through the origin and has the center. What is the center? 0, 0, half, right? And equation of the sphere in spherical coordinate system, rho square equal to rho cos phi. That means rho equal to cos phi. So that is the equation of the sphere. So equation of the cone. What will be the equation of the cone in spherical coordinate system? It is rho cos phi. This is square root of rho square sine square phi cos square theta plus rho square sine square phi sine square theta. This is going to be equal to rho sine phi. This gives sine phi equal to cos phi, and we can get the phi. This angle is 5/4. So you can see this angle. How we can get the angle is 5/4. Okay. And therefore, the solid E in spherical coordinate system is particularly, this is rho theta phi 0 less or equal to theta less or equal to twice pi, and phi will be 0. It is up to 5/4, and rho will be, all of you understand, that is cos phi. So what will be the volume of this solid particularly that we have to find? That is triple integration dv over this particular E 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi, and 0 to cos phi. This is your rho square sine phi d rho, then d phi, then d theta. So it is ultimately it will be 5/8. So you do it. So general case, in case of change of variables. So basically we start with f of x comma y dx dy, and suppose we like to, over this is your d, we like to set x y to another set of variables u and v. Okay, so new set of variables, and it is given by x is equal to x of uv, and y is equal to y of uv. Okay, so the change of variable formula over df dx dy, this will be over d star. We have to find what is d star in the new coordinate system uv, in the uv plane. So ultimately it will be f of basically x uv y uv, and this is mod of Jacobian of the transformation. This is du dv. Whatever I told you, the multiplying factor, this is nothing but the Jacobian of the transformation. And what is the Jacobian of the transformation? That is xu okay, so I can write simply this is xu yv minus yu x v. Okay, so this is your Jacobian of the transformation. And D star is the new region in UV pen. Okay? So this is the thing. So in this case, if we give one example, say for example, if we like to find d is equal to x plus y square, this is basically solved in my lecture note. I just like to describe it, what is happening. D is a D is the parallelogram bounded by the lines x plus y equal to 0, whatever the lines x plus y equal to 1, and twice x minus y equal to 0, twice x minus y equal to 3. So this is a parallelogram. Okay. So from this particular thing, we can understand whatever the transformation we like to use. Here we like to use u equal to x plus y, and v is equal to particularly twice x minus y. So if I use this, then whatever the d star, that is basically we have to change. So x and y from where to where, and then we have to understand what will be the new limit for u and v. And u and v, it will be set up u comma v such that 0 less or equal to 1, and v will be 0 less or equal to 3. Okay, so this is the new region, and whatever the calculation of the Jacobian. So if we do the calculation, whatever the Jacobian xu yv and yu xv, xu yv minus xv yu. Okay, so this is your particularly Jacobian, and it is coming to be minus 1 by 3. Okay, so using the above transformation, we get what we get. The given integral over dx plus y whole square dx dy, it will be the new integral for d star X plus y equal to u. X plus y equal to u, so it will be u square, and whatever the mod Jacobian, mod of -1/3, and this is du dv. Okay, so ultimately it is 0 to 1, 0 to 3, na? So 0 to 1, 0 to 3, 0 to 1 is u particularly, so u square du, and 0 to 3 is basically v, and it is 1/3. So ultimately it is 1/3, and this is u3, and this is u by 3, 0 to 1, and this will be 3 only, right? So this part is 0 to 1. So what it will be? It is ultimately 1/3. So we get this answer. Okay, so in case of triple integration also, we have to just do the same thing. And like if we use in triple integration, so what we can get, that is, suppose u is equal to u of x comma y comma z, v equal to v of x y z, and w is equal to w of x y z. So whatever the Jacobian of the transformation, this is a determinant of xu, xv, xw, yu, yv, yw, and zu, zv, zw. We have to calculate it, and then we have to find x comma y comma z, dx, dy, dz. Then ultimately it is w star. We have to find the new region in the transform coordinate system to get it this v w, yes, w, and this mod Jacobian, it will be same, and du dv dw. Okay, so we have to calculate. It depends on the transformation. Like in the spherical coordinate system, if we calculate this thing, it will be rho square sine phi. So in other cases also, whatever the thing, it is coming. So ultimately, this factor is coming as your Jacobian of the transformation. Its modulus value we have to consider. Okay, so I suggest all of you to see the to try to solve each and every questions from my assignment, maybe lecture notes. Okay, this is up to today, and I like to answer one questions.
Hello, sir.
Have another class.
What is XU and YV?
Yes, I like to answer one thing. The one comment particularly made by one of the students. Whatever
Hello.
I, yes, please let me speak. Is there any typo mistake? Some students are saying.
Yes, sir. In
Where?
starting question,
Which questions?
area where greatest integer function. वाला जो question.
Oh, first part. Okay. Where
Yes,
is
sir.
that?
Sir, you have marked the wrong area. It should not be a square. It is a line, straight line joining 1, 0, 0, 1 point. 1, 0 and 0, 1 point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
It
the
will be a
area
triangle
below
with
the
the
Sir,
origin will
coordinate
be the
axis.
value 1. Because
Sir,
if you
see that point 0.4 and 0.5 है, sir. It is in the second type of diagram. It should be in the first step only, sir. So it should be a rectangle. It shouldn't be a square. Like some points are not there.
it should not be a square, it should be a triangle joining the point 0, 1 and 1, 0.
1, 0.
With coordinate axis, it should be a
Yes, sir.
triangle.
With the
0,
coordinate
1,
axis.
and this is basically
Network.
2, 0, right? This is 0, 2. This thing is initially your domain of definition, right? Is there any problem here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then I like to change, like to see that f of x plus y, so that x plus y is less or equal to 1 particularly, less than 1. So in
This
that
will be a straight
situation,
line.
Sir, it will be a straight line, like triangle-like structure. It will
0.9,
be.
0, then also x plus
Sir,
y
let's
is less
take
than 1.
sir one
And
point.
it is
Sir.
in
Domain. This is domain. This is not
1 by 2 plus
graph.
h,
This is domain.
comma h.
I just subdivide the domain into 4 parts. 1,
Yes, sir.
2,
The
3, and
division
4.
is wrong, sir. Because
Yes, sir.
see, consider a point 0,4 and 0.55, sir. 0.4 and 0.55. The sum is less than 1, but that comes under the second part, sir, not the first part. It should come on the first part, where the sum is less than, comes under 0, sir. So that point
yes,
is not
yes.
there.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that's the division is wrong, sir. That's what
Okay, okay, okay.
we meant to say.
Division is wrong. Okay.
Yes,
You
sir,
have
yes.
to divide, but idea
As
is
a
right.
triangle, sir.
It
Idea
has
is,
a triangle with
Idea
a
is
coordinate
right.
axis.
Yes, a
It will
triangle.
be divided.
yes, sir. That was the mistake.
Absolutely correct. You are correct. So this division is wrong, but idea is correct. Like we have to do the thing like so that x plus y, its total is less or equal to 1, sometimes less or equal to 2, sometimes less or equal to 3, and less or equal to 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
And sir,
Sir, in the last part,
spherical
what is
means
UV,
in sir,
UX?
Sir,
in a spherical,
what
sir,
is
how
XU? Sir, what is XU and what is YV, sir?
sir, white center is 0, comma 1 by 2.
There is a. Sir, during the class, not mute us, sir.
So what is xu and yv?
Xu is partial derivative of x with respect to u.
See, x is a function of u and v, na? 2 variables. Xu is basically no. In this case, it is a 3 variable. Okay, I'm coming here. X is a function of u. U is a function of that this thing x is a function of u and v, so it is a partial derivative with respect to u because 2 independent variables u and v, and x is dependent variable. Similarly, y is dependent variable with 2 independent variables u and v, so these are the partial derivative with respect to u with respect to v. I think you understand it. But this is del x, del u, del y.
And sir, one more thing, sir. Sir, what is the
But
general
sir,
equation of
there
a
is
sphere,
u
sir?
dependent on x and y because we have to represent u in terms of x plus y. So we will take del u by del x.
Yes, sir. In the equations, you
And sir,
write.
No,
and
you have
sir,
to change it. You have to change it. Okay.
and also, sir, how to find the value, sir?
Which value?
Sir, minus of 1 by 3 means u and v. What value we put in Jacobian in xu and yv in u and v? What value of u and v we have to put in Jacobian after the partial derivative of x and y with respect to u and v?
Here u is equal to this thing, v is equal to this. That means from this you have to find x in terms of u,
Yes,
x
sir.
in terms of u, y in u and v similarly, and then you can calculate it, right? Okay. So any other question?
Then sir x is equal to x is equals to means differential of x with respect to y, and there is then something value in the functions of u and v. Then how to find the value means u and v का value कौन सा value put करे जो -1/3 आया?
No, no,
It will be a straight line, तो इसका differentiation constant होगा.
constant होगा. Yes.
Okay, sir.
First,
Sir,
we have to
above
convert
one
x
more
and y in
slide.
terms of u and v.
Sir,
Hello, sir. What will be the format of today's retest?
Which
Sir,
question
we have
should I
another
answer?
class, sir.
Yes, I just tell you please join there. Format is again by quiz for particularly CD section and quiz in MS Teams. CD से tutorial CD जो tutorial section हो ना.
At 7 p.m.
Okay, so time is 7 to 7:30 p.m.
sir, the students of
Sir, we
section
have to
haven't
join
got
the
their marks yet.
CDE tutorial channel.
Sir, you
Yes.
told us that this is
Okay, sir. Thank
this
you.
is in form of Viva, na?
No,
Test होगा.
I never told that. I told that either Viva or maybe test.
Sir, we have another class, I believe.
Sir,
So,
please upload the PPTs
Sir, we
via
have
link
9
at the
questions.
spherical coordinate
Upload the
system.
attendance.
download the attendance, please.
Sir,
Can
the
we
exam will be on Moodle now.
No, MS Teams. Okay, I will.
Sir,
Sir, download the
Attendance,
attendance, sir. Attendance.
how many questions will be there, sir, in the exam?